Good morning everyone. This is Rohit from Fundamental Desk Axis Securities. We'll talk about the market outlook. Asian markets are trading higher, tracking firm cues from Wall Street as investors focus on Donald Trump's impending broad principles tax plan. Nikkei was trading higher by 0.74% while Hang Seng was trading higher by 0.5%. SGX Nifty is trading higher by 0.23%. The markets are expected to go marginally higher. The US markets rallied for the second consecutive session on strong earnings report from companies like Caterpillar and McDonald's, with investors awaiting announcement of tax proposal by the new administration. The Dow Jones gained 232 points or 1.12% to close at 2996, while Nasdaq gained 42 points or 0.7% to close at record high of 6025. The results to watch out for today will be Axis Bank, GIC Housing Finance, KPIT, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, Sterlite Technologies, Supreme Petro, Tata Sponge. Also, government plans to raise approximately 6,000 crores through new PSU ETF during the current financial year. India crude oil production increased 0.94% year-on-year in March. Natural gas up 8.29%. India's wind power capacity crosses 32 gigawatts. On the corporate front, Adani Ports has formed a joint venture with CMA CGM to operate container terminal at Mundra. Vedanta reportedly plans to quadruple KCM copper output in the next 3 to 7 years. Wipro announced issue of 1:1 bonus shares and will consider a proposal for buyback of equity shares in July. And lastly, Nucleus Software announced that it would consider share buyback worth Rs 118 crores at a price not exceeding Rs 350 per equity share. Talking about an event that will be a beneficiary for state-owned refiners. They are planning to add a large number of liquefied petroleum gas bottling plants to meet the rising demand for the clean cooking fuel. Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation will add 47 new bottling plants over the existing 189 bottling units in the next 2 years, expanding their total capacity by nearly 25% to 21 million tons in 2018-19. The expansion is prompted by approximately 10% surge in LPG consumption in 2016-17 to 21.5 million tons, aided by the nationwide drive to promote smokeless kitchens, including through the LPG for Poor Women scheme, the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana. The three state oil companies issued a total 3.25 crore new connections last fiscal year, the highest ever, including 2 crore connections given under Ujjwal Yojana. To meet the rising consumption, India imported 11 million tons of LPG in 16-17, which was 25% more than what was imported a year ago. At present, state oil companies have a bottling capacity of 16.2 million tons, which they will augment to 18 million tons this financial year. The Oil Ministry has forecasted LPG demand in 18-19 to touch 26.8 million tons, which will be met mainly through indigenous production as well as imports. So our picks in this space are IOCL, BPCL and HPCL. This is from Fundamental End. Thank you.